If you can score at least 80 out of 100 on this ultimate general knowledge quiz, your trivia skills are seriously impressive. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's begin. Question 1. What country is the largest in the world? China, Canada, United States, or Russia? The correct answer is option D, Russia. Question 2. What is the smallest continent by land area? Europe, Australia, Antarctica, or South America? The correct answer is option B, Australia. Question 3. What is the tallest mountain in the world? K2, Kangchenjunga, Mount Everest, or Lhotse? The correct answer is option C, Mount Everest. Question 4. What is the deepest point in the ocean? Puerto Rico Trench, Tonga Trench, Mariana Trench, or Java Trench? The correct answer is option C, Mariana Trench. Question 5. What is the longest mountain range in the world? Himalayas, Andes, Rocky Mountains, or Alps? The correct answer is option B, Andes. Question 6. What is the largest desert in the world? Gobi, Kalahari, Sahara, or Antarctic? The correct answer is option D, Antarctic. Question 7. What is the largest island in the world? Borneo, Greenland, New Guinea, or Madagascar? The correct answer is option B, Greenland. Question 8. What is the largest continent in the world? Africa, Asia, Europe, or South America? The correct answer is option B, Asia. Question 9. What is the coldest place in the world? Siberia, Alaska, Antarctica, or Greenland? The correct answer is option C, Antarctica. Question 10. What is the hottest place in the world? Death Valley, Sahara Desert, Lut Desert, or Dallol? The correct answer is option C, Lut Desert. Question 11. What is the most populous city in the world, 2026 estimated? Tokyo, Delhi, Shanghai, or Mumbai? The correct answer is option B, Delhi. Question 12. How many countries are there in the world? 193, 195, 200, or 210? The correct answer is option B, 195. Question 13. How many continents are there in the world? 5, 6, 7, or 8? The correct answer is option C, 7. Question 14. Which country is also a continent? Australia, Russia, Brazil, or Canada? The correct answer is option A, Australia. Question 15. Which country shares land borders with the most other countries? China, Russia, Brazil, or Germany? The correct answer is option A, China. Question 16. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, or Frankfurt? The correct answer is option A, Berlin. Question 17. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra, or Perth? The correct answer is option C, Canberra. Question 18. What is the capital of Canada? Toronto, Vancouver, Ottawa, or Montreal? The correct answer is option C, Ottawa. Question 19. What is the capital of Russia? St. Petersburg, Moscow, Novosibirsk, or Vladivostok? The correct answer is option B, Moscow. Question 20. What is the capital of Brazil? Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Brasilia, or Salvador? The correct answer is option C, Brasilia. Question 21. What is the official language of Brazil? Spanish, Portuguese, English, or French? The correct answer is option B, Portuguese. Question 22. What is the official language of China? Mandarin, Cantonese, Japanese, or Korean? The correct answer is option A, Mandarin. Question 23. What is the currency of Italy? Euro, lira, dollar, or pound? The correct answer is option A, Euro. Question 24. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Euro, dollar, pound sterling, or franc? The correct answer is option C, pound sterling. Question 25. Where is the Taj Mahal located? Delhi, Agra, Mumbai, or Jaipur? The correct answer is option B, Agra. Question 26. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? London, Paris, Rome, or Berlin? The correct answer is option B, Paris. Question 27. In which country is the Colosseum located? Greece, Italy, Spain, or France? The correct answer is option B, Italy. Question 28. Where can you visit the Great Wall? Japan, Korea, China, or Vietnam? The correct answer is option C, China. Question 29. Which country is famous for pizza? Italy, Mexico, USA, or India? The correct answer is option A, Italy. Question 30. What is the largest animal? Blue whale, elephant, giraffe, or shark? The correct answer is option A, blue whale. Question 31. What is the fastest land animal? Lion, cheetah, horse, or leopard? The correct answer is option B, cheetah. Question 32. What is the slowest animal? Snail, sloth, turtle, or starfish? The correct answer is option B, sloth. Question 33. Which bird can fly backward? Eagle, hummingbird, owl, or falcon? The correct answer is option B, hummingbird. Question 34. Which animal can make its own light? Firefly, jellyfish, both A and B, or shark? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question 35. Which animal has the longest neck? Giraffe, ostrich, flamingo, or elephant? The correct answer is option A, giraffe. Question 36. How many bones are there in the human body? 206, 180, 250, or 300? The correct answer is option A, 206. Question 37. How many teeth do adult humans have? 28, 32, 36, or 40? The correct answer is option B, 32. Question 38. What is the main organ for breathing? Heart, lungs, brain, or liver? The correct answer is option B, lungs. Question 39. What is the longest bone in the body? Femur, humerus, tibia, or spine? The correct answer is option A, femur. Question 40. What does IQ stand for? Intelligence quotient, internet quotient, internal quotient, or idea quotient? The correct answer is option A, intelligence quotient. Question 41. What is a three-sided shape called? Square, triangle, pentagon, or circle? The correct answer is option B, triangle. Question 42. How many faces does a cube have? 4, 6, 8, or 12? The correct answer is option B, 6. Question 43. How many centimetres are in 1 metre? 10, 100, 1,000, or 50? The correct answer is option B, 100. Question 44. How many years are in a century? 50, 100, 200, or 1,000? The correct answer is option B, 100. Question 45. How many minutes are in 2 hours? 60, 90, 120, or 180? The correct answer is option C, 120. Question 46. How many zeros are in 1 billion? 6, 9, 12, or 15? The correct answer is option B, 9. Question 47. How many days does February have in a leap year? 28, 29, 30, or 31? The correct answer is option B, 29. Question 48. What is 12 plus 12 plus 12? 24, 36, 48, or 30? The correct answer is option B, 36. Question 49. What is 15 plus 30? 40, 45, 50, or 35? The correct answer is option B, 45. Question 50. What is 144 divided by 12? 10, 12, 14, or 16? The correct answer is option B, 12. Question 51. Which is the largest country in South America? Brazil, Argentina, Peru, or Colombia? The correct answer is option A, Brazil. Question 52. On which continent is the Sahara Desert located? Asia, Africa, Australia, or Europe? The correct answer is option B, Africa. Question 53. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Niagara, Victoria, Angel Falls, or Yosemite? The correct answer is option C, Angel Falls. Question 54. How many countries make up the UK? 3, 4, 5, or 6? The correct answer is option B, 4. Question 55. Where is the Bermuda Triangle located? Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Arctic Ocean? The correct answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean. Question 56. Which planet is closest to Earth? Mars, Venus, Mercury, or Jupiter? The correct answer is option B, Venus. Question 57. What is the most crowded city in the world? Tokyo, Mumbai, Delhi, or Shanghai? The correct answer is option C, Delhi. Question 58. Biryani is a popular dish from which country? India, Pakistan, Iran, or Turkey? The correct answer is option A, India. Question 59. Hamburgers come from which country? USA, Germany, France, or Italy? The correct answer is option B, Germany. Question 60. Which organ can regrow itself? Heart, liver, brain, or kidney? The correct answer is option B, liver. Question 61. Which cells in the blood carry oxygen? White cells, red cells, platelets, or plasma? The correct answer is option B, red cells. Question 62. How much water should an adult drink daily? 1 litre, 2 to 3 litres, 5 litres, or 500 millilitres? The correct answer is option B, 2 to 3 litres. Question 63. What is 120 minus 50? 60, 70, 80, or 90? The correct answer is option B, 70. Question 64. What is 81 divided by 9? 8, 9, 10, or 7? The correct answer is option B, 9. Question 65. What is 7 times 11? 77, 70, 81, or 66? The correct answer is option A, 77. Question 66. What is half of 67? 33.5, 33, 34, or 35? The correct answer is option A, 33.5. Question 67. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty? France, England, Spain, or Italy? The correct answer is option A, France. Question 68. What is the world's largest hot desert? Gobi, Kalahari, Sahara, or Arabian? The correct answer is option C, Sahara. Question 69. Which animal has the strongest bite? Lion, crocodile, shark, or hippo? The correct answer is option B, crocodile. Question 70. What kind of animal is a penguin? Mammal, bird, reptile, or fish? The correct answer is option B, bird. Question 71. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, or Hiroshima? The correct answer is option A, Tokyo. Question 72. What is the capital of India? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, or Bangalore? The correct answer is option B, Delhi. Question 73. What is the currency of South Africa? Rand, dollar, euro, or pound? The correct answer is option A, Rand. Question 74. Where is Machu Picchu located? Mexico, Peru, Brazil, or Chile? The correct answer is option B, Peru. Question 75. Ice cream was first made in which country? Italy, China, USA, or France? The correct answer is option B, China. Question 76. Which country has the most forests? Russia, Brazil, Canada, or USA? The correct answer is option A, Russia. Question 77. How many countries are in Africa? 50, 54, 60, or 45? The correct answer is option B, 54. Question 78. What is 90 minus 34? 56, 54, 60, or 66? The correct answer is option A, 56. Question 79. What is 48 divided by 6? 6, 8, 9, or 7? The correct answer is option B, 8. Question 80. What is 4 times 8? 28, 32, 36, or 24? The correct answer is option B, 32. Question 81. Which country invented chess? India, China, Persia, or Egypt? The correct answer is option A, India. Question 82. Baklava is originally from which country? Greece, Turkey, Lebanon, or Egypt? The correct answer is option B, Turkey. Question 83. Which animal can survive the longest without water? Camel, kangaroo, rat, tortoise, or giraffe? The correct answer is option B, kangaroo rat. Question 84. How many main blood groups are there? 3, 4, 5, or 2? The correct answer is option B, 4. Question 85. What is a six-sided shape called? Hexagon, pentagon, octagon, or square? The correct answer is option A, hexagon. Question 86. How many feet are in 1 metre? 3.28, 3, 2.5, or 4? The correct answer is option A, 3.28. Question 87. How many days are in December? 30, 31, 28, or 29? The correct answer is option B, 31. Question 88. Which country is the largest in South America? Argentina, Brazil, Peru, or Chile? The correct answer is option B, Brazil. Question 89. What is the official language of Argentina? Spanish, Portuguese, English, or Italian? The correct answer is option A, Spanish. Question 90. What is the capital of France? Lyon, Marseille, Paris, or Nice? The correct answer is option C, Paris. Question 91. What is the currency of Sweden? Euro, franc, dollar, or krona? The correct answer is option D, krona. Question 92. Which is the largest lake in Africa? Lake Victoria, Lake Tanganyika, Lake Malawi, or Lake Chad? The correct answer is option A, Lake Victoria. Question 93. What is the deepest ocean trench? Mariana Trench, Puerto Rico Trench, Tonga Trench, or Java Trench? The correct answer is option A, Mariana Trench. Question 94. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Albatross, eagle, condor, or pelican? The correct answer is option A, albatross. Question 95. How many ribs does an adult human have? 12, 24, 20, or 28? The correct answer is option B, 24. Question 96. What is the strongest muscle in the body? Bicep, jaw muscle, heart, or quadricep? The correct answer is option B, jaw muscle. Question 97. How many hours of sleep do adults need? 5 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, or 4 to 5? The correct answer is option B, 7 to 9. Question 98. Which country spans the most continents? Russia, Turkey, Egypt, or Azerbaijan? The correct answer is option A, Russia. Question 99. What is the highest capital city? La Paz, Quito, Kathmandu, or Thimphu? The correct answer is option A, La Paz. Question 100. Which is the largest coral reef? Great Barrier Reef, Belize Barrier Reef, Red Sea Coral Reef, or Andaman Islands? The correct answer is option A, Great Barrier Reef. Out of 100 general knowledge questions, how many did you get right? Share your final score in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing!